Welcome. Hi, this is going to be an unboxing video of a brand new Leica D-lux 7 digital camera. It's a compact camera. You can kind of see here what it's going to look like. And the reason I bought this camera for my travels and my adventures is it's going to be lighter and better than my Canon Rebel. Significantly lighter, and the weight limitation is very important for the next several trips I'm going on in the Amazon. I am weight limited to 18 kilos of total gear, everything, which is fishing equipment, hiking equipment, clothes, all the fishing gear I need, as well as taking a camera, a phone, my GoPro, all of that. So I have a max of 18 kilos. And this baby here I got because it's significantly lighter than my Canon digital lens reflex. So let's do the unboxing and check it out. All right. So you can see here it comes with the lens cleaner. Okay. And we obviously have the instruction booklets are included in the box. So they have all of the information and the camera warranty. All right, so let's open this up. And in here, we will have the camera. And here it goes. It is absolutely gorgeous. I looked at it at the Leica store and used it. It is really light. Has both manual and automatic settings. You can see the shutter speeds here, the aperture. You could change the aperture here as well. And I'm really looking forward to using this. I have not charged the battery charger, which is included in the box. I'll take that out now. So the kit comes with a battery, that's the charger plug. And here is the strap. And I think in this thing here, let's see what we have in this little bag. Don't even know, I didn't even open it. And here is, oh wow, it comes with a flash. How do you like them bananas? So it comes with the Leica Flash that would go up on top of there. Did not realize it came with a flash. And it's a hot shoe. So that will make taking flash photos much more convenient. And also in the box now we have the battery, which I have not yet charged, and the USB charging cables. So that is going to be some really exciting digital photography when I am in the Amazon with this camera. We'll probably field test it a couple times before going to the Amazon, but I'm really looking forward to using the brand new Leica D-lux 7 compact digital camera. The camera also has autofocus. You can see that here. You can do autofocus, manual focus, as well as the aperture. So it has all of the bells and whistles to turn the aperture here. You can manually adjust that or leave it on auto. So I will play around with this and figure out the best settings for the type of photography I do plan on using this for in the jungle. All right, there is the Leica digital camera D-lux 7 in all black.